Hello, my name is Iuri Mazzocco. I study mining engineer at Federal University of Rio Grande do Sul, and I will present you a planning to the Marvin deposit in different scenarios. The objective of MiningMath is to create different scenarios to choose better decisions to maximize the NPV. To do this, you need to make strategic decisions, mitigate risks, and optimize the process. First of all, we need to treat the Marvin data. I removed the I blocks at Excel, and after that transform the coordinates into index coordinates. You can do this using this formula here. The next step is calculate the economic value process and economic value waste. To do this, we need to use the formulas in this table 2A. To calculate the different scenarios, I used the parameters of table 2C. The table 2C is a perspective for the future. It has the selling price and selling cost a little higher than table 2B. The processing cost is lower due to the possibility of new technologies. After the treatment of the data, the final layout of our block model in Excel is like this. Now, we can import the model at the software to start optimizing the different scenarios. This is the base scenario of the project. Some restrictive parameters were given in the exercise, such as the slope angle of 45 degrees, the maximum movement of 60 million tons per year, the discount rate of 10%, and the recovery of gold and copper. All the different scenarios tested here respect the maximum limit of 20 million tons per year in process 1. I tried 3 different geometry constraints with the same parameters to define the better scenario. The best result was obtained by the second geometry constraints, with 50 meters of minimum width mining, 90 meters of bottom, and a maximum vertical rate of advance of 150 meters. Here we can see the chart of cumulative NPV with a life of mine of 16 years and a total NPV of $970 million. Assuming that gold and copper prices will rise 10% in the future, the cumulative NPV will be $1,136 million, 16% higher than the base scenario, and the life of mine is 17 years. If the price of copper and gold falls by 10%, we will have this scenario, a NPV of $743 million and a life of mine of 15 years. This NPV is 24% lower than the base scenario. Using the same parameters as before, in this chart we can see that price is the parameter that most affects to maximize or minimize NPV. Excluding NPV with a lower discount rate of 8%, all other scenarios tested showed NPV results lower than the base scenario. The price of ore and discount rate have a major impact on NPV. In this presentation, we tested basic scenarios for Marvin block model. I think with more information and more constraints, all the functions of the software can be used to choose the better way to maximize the NPV. Thank you for your attention. Any questions or curiosity, do not hesitate to contact me.